India has launched its first observation mission to the Sun, just days after the country made history by becoming the first to land near the Moon's south pole. India's first space-based mission to study the solar system's biggest object is named after Surya, the Hindu god of sun, who is also known as Aditya. And L1 stands for Lagrange point 1, the exact place between Sun and Earth where the Indian spacecraft is heading. According to the European Space Agency, a Lagrange point is a spot where the gravitational forces of two large objects such as the Sun and the Earth cancel each other out, allowing a spacecraft to hover. Once Aditya L1 reaches this parking spot, it will be able to orbit the Sun at the same rate as the Earth. This also means the satellite will require very little